messages for the 22nd of October. It is currently 6:23 a.m. Scorpio. I have to start this reading with a little bit of celebration. It is a happy birthday morning, yes, to the beautiful, to the talented, to the youngest Carby of the group, Christina Carby. Today is her birthday and I want to send my little sister an amazing happy birthday. Sweetie, you're doing better than all the other bitches that were born in 2000s, okay? You're winning. So just on behalf of celebrating the reading, just for my little sister, let's just have a dedication to her. And I want to shout out Valiant for having my sister in the video. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Hold it on.
Christina, happy birthday, Christina.
I say you can miss it in the prim stiff one man make you miss the appointment bitch. You suck dick to me love bad bitch twerk for the whole gang in your throat me a spit. Dance honey this the whole place shake it boom boom the gal spit on the gunman dick. Baby you want this no me those spoiled bitch dog all like a solution about the one.
Christina!
And if she fuck around the same thing dog. I thought about that and me the girl watching and live by my part. I'll come and fuck your ass up. And I know me if it's not a video. She know me make her the muckle. Car roll with the gang then they not get no.
Yeah, cause me fucking is up. I don't know if it's not a video. Anyways, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Christina! Number 4. Anyways, Scorpio, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Even though we're officially in Scorpio. Oh my god, we're officially in Scorpio's season. Yes, the 22nd cross is over. Great. Okay, superb. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio. I have channel messages for you. Okay, I'm hearing 2 things, Scorpio. 1, I'm getting Usher wants to talk to you, or Usher wants to meet you. I'm getting somehow Usher. I'm getting you're going to sign with a record label really soon, Scorpio, or this is what's coming up. I'm also getting someone's trying to bury you before this music producer or this record label find you. They need to bury you, meaning you need to be very depressed where you walk away from your dreams. Maybe you need to be pregnant. I'm not sure if you're in the top spot for something, or I'm getting something about a newly formed group of 3 women. You have the 3rd spot, you might have the 1st spot. I'm also getting, Scorpio, something about they want you, but they don't want the spotlight on you only. They want you to share the spotlight. But I'm getting, even when you share the spotlight, everybody's still looking on you. So I'm getting, if you notice you're doing interviews, or if you notice you're talking to people and then constantly cutting you off, or they're not kind of bringing up what the obvious thing is, it's because people know that you're the celebrity in the room, but it's like you'd be Angelina Jolie and somebody coming into the room saying, oh, do you do movies? Yeah? Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, wow. What movie have you? How many years of experience have you been acting? Bitch, is Angelina Jolie, bitch. Chances are she's going to adopt your kid. So I'm getting, if you notice, I feel like, Scorpio, somebody want to bury you. The dead card, or they want use it till they're dead. Use it till they drop down. Use it till they're weak. Never make anybody, any establishment, any person use you more than you can use yourself. Okay, Scorpio? I'm also getting another message. I'm getting swords don't bend. I think I heard that saying from Astro Queen, aka Shantae Long, aka Picky Tree Terror, aka Annex Roman. I'm getting something about swords don't bend, so I'm getting a Libra, or I'm getting it's imperative you don't bend. The moment you bend, I'm getting every time you bend, there is a grave, not a grave, there is a shovel that digs a hole deeper into a grave. I'm getting it's imperative you do not bend. The dead don't bend. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio, because this is a lot of messages. We have Lilith coming out first. Adam's first wife, destruction of children. Maybe somebody want to bury you with kids. No, maybe somebody believe that you are a destruction on kids. No, popular to the contrary. they might feel like you're a bad influence on kids, but why are you relying on a woman who don't have kids to raise yours? Where is your father? Where's the kid's mom? Maybe somebody's trying to, maybe somebody's saying, listen, we're using you as an example. For what? For why? Why would you use me as an example? Who gave you permission to study me? Give another bitch my personality and try to brainwash me to go back to college. Who? So again, I'm not sure, somebody want you to be a role model for kids. You don't have kids. So why the fuck you want me? Scorpio, you need to know the reason why I am 32 without no children is not because I cannot bear children. It's not because I feel like I'm somebody's last choice. I'm a very experienced fucker, Scorpio. You have to be very experienced to can be fucking as much as I've done and not get pregnant. Some people get pregnant on them first try, second try, third try. Some people are tricked into pregnancy, Scorpio. So I don't know. Somebody wants you to be celibate for the kids. You know, the kids don't have sex. You shouldn't have sex either. You're not a child. You're an adult. Children don't work. Children don't pay tax. Children not supposed to fend for themselves. That's an adult. So again, destruction of children. Someone saying you're a bad influence on your children. You know, I may have your children swearing, but believe me, your children has never told a lie. I feel like the bad influence is coming from all these people, children now telling the truth. Because their parents are fucking liars. Anyways, Lilith, being something about children. We have Virgo. So I'm not sure if Virgo why you have a kid, or I'm getting something about your first wife. You could be a divorcee. You could be divorced, you're married, you get divorced, or you will be divorced if you are already married, a Virgo. You're getting, you'll get a divorce. Something about children. You're getting, when you get married to this man within a marriage, you're going to start talking about children, and you're going to be like, that's not what we signed up for. And you're going to say, am I going to divorce this man over not having kids, or am I find the love of my life, why not I have kids? He's going to take your legs. We have Astaroth, uncovering secrets, Grand Duke of Hell, lust, vanity and temptation. We have Bible. We have Asmodeus, lust, temptation and destructive passions, gambling and reckless behavior. And we have magic. So I'm getting something about a Virgo, magic. We have Aries at the bottom of the deck. I don't know. I feel like somebody does not want you to outpass them or outdo them. So they need to wed you off. Them need for, I'm getting something about like wedding you off so you can be controlled, or I'm getting something about having kids so them can cut off your legs. If that's not it, I'm getting being a role model to children. Yeah, but if for you to want a grown-ass adult to be a role model for children, remember that's what happened to Britney Spears when Britney Spears was like a role model for kids. And then Britney Spears was old enough, she started having sex, and she was having sex with Justin Timberlake. And I don't know if it's in the midst of she saying Justin Timberlake dick was very, very small, and we all saw it when he was being held up in the harness, how small his dick was, right? But yeah, Justin, you tell everybody say Britney Spears wasn't a virgin anymore. And that's what caused Britney Spears' first trip, because she did have sex with Justin. Not only did he do a music video, Cry Me a River, go on, and just him basically out her and say, yes, we had sex and she's not a virgin. And all of the women, the parents of the women, they were very upset with, how could you have sex? My 7-year-old daughter is listening to you. How could you, Britney? How could you? And Britney's singing, sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, right? And people were pissed at Britney. They didn't want blacklist her because her virginity was taken. So again, why you want somebody else to raise your kids? And I'm just saying, if you're raising your kids and your kids is listening to somebody else, chances are perhaps the other person is raising your kids better. Raising your kids not have nothing to do with whether them cover up or not, or whether them speak proper or not. It's whether they make good moral decisions. I don't know, I feel like kids is not in your, right now is not for you, Virgo or Scorpio. No, mating, no. Virgo is black. And you know black women suffer from black women are usually the black women them dead in the that sounds so fucking ghetto. Where's my vocabulary encyclopedia? The statistics for black women having babies in hospitals, it's skyrocket high when it comes down to them delivering the baby. Usually black women die during child labor. Child labor? No, not child labor. That's for iPhone. Black women usually die during labor, and it's one of the most highest records. Them will cut the black women open and leave them on the bed. Them would Ivani can't even tell you. Even Ivani, when she was having her miscarriage, and she never know she have a miscarriage, she nearly bleed out on her bed. Yeah, it's like a statistic. So God bless the black women who do have kids, very healthy kids, and they did not have complications. Yeah, Scorpio. Let's go again. Let's see what's up. If up in your reading, Scorpio. But me getting your boat. Me getting somebody want to bury you. So me getting a grave digger. Somebody might even have your name on a Babylon gravestone shall be removed. Babylon gravestone, bury me so low, deep down into the ground. Somebody might literally have your name on a gravestone, and the gravestone shall be removed. Me getting somebody. I don't know if there's a group of people who's reading your tarot, reading your birth chart, them predicting your death. Maybe they plan to orchestrate your death before Halloween, the month of the dead. Me getting somebody dig your grave already. You have a headstone on the grave already. Them a wait for your body. Let's go, Scorpio. First card out is the Seven of Pentacles. So I'm getting until you go 6 feet under, somebody can get 1 cent. Me getting they have to wait on you to initiate something. The Seven of Pentacles, me getting somebody not going to get paid until the job is complete, and the job is to influence you. We have it, yeah. Literally getting somebody's burying your grave. Somebody I dig your grave. Me getting somebody want to bury you. Now maybe somebody has already gotten paid to do this, but me getting the job is incompleted. Why won't you die? It's because of my clit. That's why. So me getting, if somebody was depending on some money for sabotage you, that not gonna happen. Right? Yeah, it will not happen. Is that what you wanted? You wanted to sabotage this upcoming artist who wanted to succeed in life and leave generation upon generational wealth? You want to block them? Is that what you want? It will never fucking happen. You're getting someone's going to be disappointed. Or I'm getting somebody got paid and they cannot complete the job. We're getting the job is incompleted. We have the Queen of Swords. Yeah. We're getting swords don't bend. Libra. We're getting it's imperative you don't bend. If you have to be a fucking bitch, be that bitch. And believe me, being a bitch is now being the new submissive. You know that? Being a bitch is the new submission. Do you fucking know that? Ask some of y'all boyfriends. Being a bitch is being the new submissive. Yes, swords don't bend. Don't bend. Me getting when them can take away your voice, then them can take away your energy, then them can take away your movement and actions. Don't bend for nothing. Don't bend for a kid, don't bend for do not settle for your life. I was thinking yesterday how some of these dirty ass wiggers and girls want me to settle for my life. So you think me I got you think me I gonna be married at 24, divorced at 28, and be a baby mother at 33? You think me gonna marry at 24, divorce at 28, and at 33, me a fight you over your husband? Bitch! Don't settle in life, you hear? Especially when you have options. I have a lot of options. I have the options of older men who don't want kids, who has already divorced the bitches who they married that does have kids. And I have the options of being with younger men since they're not ready for kids. So I have options, sweetie. Somebody else don't have no blood clot option. That's why they want to cut off your fucking foot. Baby, they're telling you, babies, baby, girl, baby. So your mother did struggle 9 months just for you to have a baby? Is that what the fuck it is? One more. And we are the Four of Swords. Yeah, me getting rest. Me getting somebody want you talk, somebody need you to dive. I feel like somebody's just trying to study you, forgive your personality to other boring bitch who had to depend on an immigrant to give her her fucking personality. That's what I feel. I'm getting rest now, or resting, meditation is crucial right now. Whatever. Get some of these and clarify again, and then we're going to close it there. Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Six of, yeah, somebody want you leave, relocate, go home. Maybe somebody want you move. Then I'm going to move you from a place where you're already settled, or me getting, yeah, build your clientele, you're building you. Me getting wherever you are, you get too famous. Somebody want to move you. Ten of Swords is clarified by the Four of Swords. And I'm getting somebody can't betray you, somebody can't bury you. Somebody can't bury you if you don't show up. Somebody can't betray you if you don't trust them. Somebody can't get you pregnant if you won't be vulnerable with them to make them have sex with you without a condom on. And let me tell you, girls, something. Baby mother title is not a title where you must be proud of. You hear? Don't be proud of being a baby mother. I don't care which celebrity you say. That is their life. I am telling you. Don't make a man brainwash you say marriage is paperwork. Don't make a man brainwash you say we don't need to get married for have a kid. Tell them say the Bible it says so. Tell them say the Bible it said that. So I'm going to see if your man will convince you say the Bible wrong. Yes, even if you don't believe in God, tell him that. Tell him say the Bible said that. You have to marry me first. Baby mother, who the fuck you think this is? Baby mother, I don't care which celebrity you would see as baby mother. I say, you know what? Being a baby mother is not that bad. Your clit is not that tight. For be baby mother and it work out. Mom, baby mother, you think me got divorce now and then me got divorce at 24 and then turn a baby mother at 33? Why would I not finish the race? Be a baby mother. No. Funny. I'm a divorcee fighting this bitch over her husband. Hear this shit. No. Bitch, I got married and divorced at 24 only to be someone's second wife at 33. Hear this shit. You see this shit I have to deal with on a daily basis? And I have no help. Five of Cups is clarified by the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, somebody's going to be coming. It's like somebody get paid for cause of destruction in your life, and because you're not falling for it, they have to give you some of the pay so you can trust them, so that they can cause a destruction in your life. You're getting somebody want you to depend on them. Scorpio, it just feel like a Scorpio. Me getting your name and your picture is in a graveyard. Thankfully, Scorpio, the dumb fucker didn't know how to read birth chart. So why would you bury the picture and the name of a Scorpio in a graveyard? Thank you. Thank you for doing the spell work that I needed to excel my career. Especially if you got especially if you have Scorpio in Pluto. Thank you. Thank you for putting my picture, my shoes, my clothes, and my name in a one graveyard and cover it with grave dirt. That you just blood clot help my I did not have to do magic. The people who are so jealous of me did it for me. Thank you. Scorpio, you might feel like you got insane or you hear voices for the first few days. Give it a while. Don't run to the doctor yet. Meditate. Sleep it off. The dumb fucker, and this dumb fucker could be any religion. Me getting a Muslim cemetery or an Islamic cemetery. Me getting a Muslim or Islamic cemetery. So whether that fucker is Muslim, Christian, Islamic, or Buddhist, you should know, once you have Scorpio placement in your chart, graveyard magic is your magic. You're gonna just sleep like a dead body. And you're gonna dream just the dreams what all of these people have, and you're gonna wake up with messages. Stupid. Yeah, we're gonna bury you 7 feet under and hopefully Scorpio is gonna commit suicide. You're a dumb fuck. Scorpio rules the dead. You're supposed to bury. Scorpio is basically Yale University, when you have to go into the Skull and Bones Society and you have to go into a coffin, lock the coffin for about 3 hours and masturbate in it. That's Scorpio. So whoever put the name on a gravestone and the blood dig the grave, thank you. You just dig your own blood clot death. One more. We have the moon card. Yeah, I'm getting them a dig it in the night. Them a dig the grave while you sleep. Me getting the fuckers them a help you, Scorpio. Swords don't bend. Me getting you gonna see every girl around you bend. And you gonna say, am I the problem? You're not the problem. Me getting you have a very potent birth chart, Lilith. You're not here to subserve a man. A man is here to serve you, or you guys will be serving equally. It's imperative you are not Eve, you are Lilith. Lilith don't bend, Eve bend. So I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio. Until next time, bye.